Well, hello there. My name is Sometimes Heather and I make things. Last time, I showed you what I did to my H&M dress, and today, I will show you what I got from Hobbii. I got this lot from the Halloween sale because I am weak. Oh, so weak. So first, we have Halloween sock wool in familiar stripes. This is superwash, safe for us 3 knitters who are allergic to lanolin. I love these pinks and greys and I could not say no to this yarn. The candy I do say no to, Charming can have it, thanks. The coloring of this yarn matches with these gloves I made, only there's no glitter. I'm still debating whether to knit this into socks or a scarf. Socks might actually be a better choice. The yarn is pretty light and I'm afraid it might wear out quickly, but if I only wear the socks at home and avoid sliding around, this will be fine. So socks it is. I will show you those in a few weeks. Another thing I could not say no to is this pack. 5 adorable stitch markers and a shawl needle. I have 2 similar needles, but not a medium-sized one, so this is perfect. And the markers? Well, these metallic markers are perfect for my taste, but the dangly decorations, not so much. Still, they are the reason for this purchase. I will show you in a moment. My last item is this incredible multi-toned cotton blend, Halloween Twister in the shade Ghouls. That's orange to purple to black, oh my. I love the colors, they're so vibrant and bright and deep and delicious, I kinda want to taste. But no, we shan't mlem the yarn. Instead, we shall crochet the yarn into a tunic. And I thought I might pair this with Friend's Wheel. I got 2 balls in black and this almost matches. The texture is spot on, but the shade of black is a touch different. Close enough though. I want to start with black and let the colors bleed to orange on the way to the hem, and then make sleeves and possibly a collar in black. I will show you that too, probably before the socks. And now, to the markers. These markers all have a charm. A measuring tape, a button, scissors, a ball of yarn with needles stuck through it, and a skein of yarn. The charms are easy to remove from the markers, so I'm going to use them separately. Markers as markers and charms as earrings. That was seriously my initial thought as I saw this. Why has someone stuck earrings to those markers? As I have saved a set, let's restore their imaginary original condition. I have earring hooks, jump rings, tools, and a bit of time. I'm taking the easy way out and just attaching a jump ring and a hook to each charm. I thought about using chain to make the earrings a bit longer, but I think this is cuter. And I can always change my mind later. The good thing about jump rings is that you can reopen them. Some of these charms have markings on one side, others are the same on both sides. This means that some of my new earrings can only be worn on one ear, and that's totally fine. I really like the way these turned out. The button turned out to be my favorite. I've worn it out on many days now. I've also enjoyed decorating myself with 2 pairs of scissors. That made people look at me kind of funny again. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Next time, I thought I might show you a cardigan I just finished, this red thing. This is a prototype, so it'll just be a styling video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all later. Stay safe.